Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And yeah, so is it still worth it in spring of 2022 to option a Pixel 5a? Now, I've had this phone for a while, been using it, and I gotta say, this is an awesome phone. There are some things that I will tell you guys that you probably heard me say in previous review videos. We're covering the same topic, sort of, but just maybe a little bit of my thoughts may have changed over time using it. And so we'll just get down to it. The Pixel 5a is a phone that I find myself going back to. This phone, probably the same as the Pixel 2 XL and how I feel about that phone. One that I tend to just bring back into rotation. The Pixel 5a kind of changed things up when it came to the Pixel A series. We've been used to a polycarbonate design build, basically, so plastic build. And the 5a changed it up and went with a metal build similar to the Pixel 5. The phone has a nice display. The display in itself, the color representations, especially when I put it to natural, it looks really good. In direct sunlight, I can see my display pretty well. So I have no complaints about the display and the brightness. Audio quality on this thing is tremendously good with that top firing speaker, and then you have a bottom firing speaker with the microphone. Phone calls are great. I don't have any issues. Photos, really good. Like I showed you guys my backyard because I took some photos and posted it on Twitter. So you can check those out. And I think the camera does very well for it using the same sensor, but with Google's computational photography and AI to correct imperfections. It just really shows you just how good it is, which is a key thing here with the A series devices, is to bring you pretty much the Pixel experience that you would find with flagship Pixels, but at a much cheaper cost. This phone launched at $450, and you could actually find it online for about $300 if you're lucky. There are even some places like on OfferUp, I've seen people put it up for $275. So, I mean, yeah, you just got to do your research and find it if you want it much cheaper. But the phone itself is solid, and it brings IP, water and dust resistance. I believe it's IP67 water and dust resistance. So that's a new thing to come to an A series device. And I really think that Google is starting to kind of understand, like, they got the best of both worlds, building flagship devices that are intelligent phones, and then building budget that are also intelligent, give the same experience, but cut corners, which makes sense, which is like, things like wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, those types of things. You won't find that in the Pixel 5a, and if that's what you're looking for, then maybe this is not the phone for you. But I would say this, in total, the experience I've had with the Pixel 5a is solid. It is actually my main daily driver device. The Pixel 6 has been put up, and I don't miss the Pixel 6 using the Pixel 5a. It's really good. I would definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.